Alright boys, here we go, Tiger Woods style. There you go. She's busted big times. Finally got the garage all cleaned up. Getting pretty famous around town, boys. Getting a lot of fans doing this shit. A lot of fans. Lots and lots of fans, boys. Holy shit. We're gonna smash the rest of this TV up, see what's inside that son's a bitch. Alright boys, what do we got us in there? Some tin and shit. Some glassies. We got some glass. A little capacitor there. Some copper in there. Holy shit. Got us a little circuit board down here. Circuit board there. Shit. Okay. Not much light, but get the point. Got a circuit board, got some tin there. We got some more copper. Got a bunch of wire in this one. Holy shit. Holy shit. Got the golf club there, smash TV with. Smash a couple more of these boys. Here's round two. Let's see if I can do this shit better this time, eh? Golf club, boys. Holy shit. Sure does the beat. Got her done, boys. Got her done. Got my free dishwasher. Got me a free mini fridge here the other day when I went to Taco Bell. This was in the garbage. Works. The other one didn't work, worked to shit, so I had to get that one. Had to get that one out the garbage, boys. Got another TV smashed up. I'm gonna bust the back off, we'll see what's inside this one. Took me about 2 seconds to smash that one. Got some copper in there. Same shit as the last one, boys. Same freaking shit. Wire there, goes around, pin. It's all scrappable, boys. It's all worth money. There's the whole circuit board. Whole Philips TV. Not bad, boys. Not bad.